What's going on, guys? It's your boy Manny coming in live with another one. I know, it's been a minute since I made one of these videos, but I'm here. I haven't gone anywhere. You already know. Got a fresh pair of kicks, as you can see. Air Max 720. I'm going to have where I got it in the description below. So go ahead and check them out. These guys are great. I've been buying sneakers from these guys for a while now. I just haven't been posting anything, but I'm here right now. I really like these, and they really hooked it up. So I'm trying to, show some love. But, Air Max. Look at these things. Oh, my. Fresh and clean. Jesus Christ. I love these things. I don't really buy Air Maxes like that. This is actually my first pair of Air Maxes I've ever bought. These things are beautiful. Oh, my. Jesus. The black on black. The bottoms. Fresh. Very, very, very fresh. I like what Nike did with these right here. I think I paid like $150 for them too. I think they retail for $80, $180, sorry. But yeah, these things are clean. Oh my, let me just, let's do the appreciation a little bit for these kicks. Let me lift them up a little bit. Ooh, look at them. Jesus. Wow. I like them. I like them a lot. Put them on. I wear a size 12, and they fit very, very, very comfortably. I feel like I'm walking on air, really. And the price that I paid, $150 for these, I'm pretty sure they come out. They're usually $180. They've been out for a little bit, I believe, but couldn't find them anywhere. But checked out my boys. I believe the company is like MES Inc. or something like that. I got to get back to you on it, but the description of where I got it will be down below. But these things are so clean. Let me put these guys on for you. Just look at them. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Wow. It's nothing like these things right here. Oh. Let me throw these guys on real quick. Very clean pair of sneakers right here. I'm liking them. Sorry for the poor lighting. I was so excited to put them on real quick and post this video. And I got a steak cooking right now. I just had to post this for you guys real quick because I know it's been a while, And these kicks deserve some accolades. Oh, look at these things. These are the on feets right here. Wow. Look at them. Oh. Let me give you a better view of them. Yeah, man. These guys really hooked it up. But yeah, that's it. Should definitely grab you a pair of these guys. I'm definitely going to put the description in the link below. And you guys go check these guys out. I'm going to buy some more kicks for them, more than certainly, because their prices on the kicks they have, this guy has like a ridiculous amount of kicks. It's ridiculous. But all for a good price, too. I don't think I'm going to step into a Foot Locker for a long time. Look at those things. Wow. But anyway, here they are. These are the Air Max 720s, I believe. Freaking beautiful. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Later.